Hey guys, it's Vas here from Metro Hobbies, and here to show you a brand new plane that we've got into stock, which is the Mini Aeroscout. So if you're really new to flying and you want something that's going to get you in the air very quickly and is really safe to fly, this is definitely something worth considering. Has the optional landing gear. You can belly land it if you want, so you can take it off and just hand chuck it and belly land it. It comes with a radio, which is a mode 2, so it'll have the throttle on the left there. Has a USB charger and battery ready to go. Batteries for the radio as well. There's a little Velcro strap in there so to secure the battery in there. There's also a little bolt for the main wing, and you got user manuals and everything included in the box. So this is pretty much a absolute ready to fly. Take it out to the local field, have some fun. Now this is a very light aircraft, of course, so you do need to make sure that it's nice and calm out there. Yeah, it's just a great little plane to get you in the air and get started in flying if that's something you want to do.